In fact, what I will do is I will first go ahead and include SASS directory because that's important. So we want all of the essentials, so this is my SASS directory. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that. Okay, so I've downloaded and copied it. If you want to do that, you can do it as well. So let's go to source and let's just add SASS over here. Okay, so you can see that it's added all of my CSS over here, right? And in order to use SASS, we need some of the packages. So what we're going to do is come over here again, clear it, and say add. We want Gatsby plugin-sass. We want node-sass. We want SASS MQ. Okay, so these are 3 packages we need. SASS MQ is basically to use the @include feature. If it's up to you whether you want to use that or not, but yeah, Gatsby plugin-sass and node-sass is required. Okay, let's just install it. Once that is done, we can also go ahead and copy the CSS for the home. So let's go ahead and go to components, home, hero section, and I'm just going to copy the CSS. The good thing about creating stories is that you can see how easy it is. You can just delete this directory hero and the CSS and everything related to it. The JavaScript goes away. We don't have to really worry about anything. Okay, so inside of hero, I'm going to go ahead and create a file called style.scss and then paste it here. So basically we're just importing the essentials from the SASS directory, and then we just have added some of the CSS for the hero section. Awesome. And we also need to import the CSS inside of my component. So I'm just going to do that. I'll say import style.scss, and that should do the work.